back to the channel. So I just want to do a quick video on some of the stuff I got here for Christmas. This here's a set of subframe connectors, something that I've been wanting for a while for the car. So while I'm unboxing this, I just want to mention a fellow YouTuber. His channel goes by Bar D Staples. Now, mind you, it's a Mustang channel, so some of you guys may not have no interest in a Mustang channel, which if you don't, I don't blame you. I guess for me, I subscribe to quite a few Mustang channels just because to me that 5-liter Coyote engine is pretty much a masterpiece, I think. So I subscribe to several Mustang channels. But anyway, this guy, Bar D Staples, he's quite a small channel. He's kind of struggling for subscribers. I'm not really sure why. When I found his channel, I subscribed right away, and I've been subscribed for a while now, and I pretty much watch every one of his videos. But anyway, he would really appreciate it if you guys went over, just take a look, see what you think. I'm sure he'd be thrilled if some of you guys subscribed, because like I say, he's kind of struggling. Why? Like I say, I don't know, because when it comes to YouTube, I still haven't figured it out yet. But anyway, if you don't mind Mustang content, just run over, check them out. Go check out Team 4 Motorsports. I know I've mentioned that channel before, but he's a great guy, and he just bought a Rapid Blue 1LE Camaro. So there'll be lots of great videos coming to his channel soon. He's already got a ton of great videos anyway. But go check him out. And again, I mentioned S Motorsports before. He's a great mechanic. I don't know if he does that for a living or not, but I know he's done a lot of modifications to his 6th gen Camaro. So go check him out. And of course, Solo Driven, he's got a great channel. He's kind of raising the bar on what a small channel can do as far as video quality. He makes some great videos, so go check him out. I pretty much guarantee that you'll subscribe to his channel, because like I said, when I found his channel for the first time, I subscribed immediately right after the first video, because he's kind of a natural for YouTube. So go check him out. And these are pretty rugged, actually. Now, originally I wanted the ones with they tie in the center too, but one, and this will sound stupid, but I didn't want to add too much weight, and two, the money I saved by going with just instead of having the center support, I saved enough money that I was able to buy this. Now, this here is something that I probably really don't need where I have an automatic, but this is be a real good modification for a stick car. I think it's Hawks Motorsports or Hawks 3rd Gen. I'm not sure. But anyway, it's yeah, it is Hawks Motorsports. It's a line lock kit. Like I said, with an automatic, you don't really need this, but it makes it easier to do a burnout. puts less stress on the drivetrain, and it comes with everything you need, including the brake lines and instructions. It's not that expensive. Like I said, what I saved on getting these subframe connectors without the, I think they call them the 3-point or 6-point. Anyway, going with just the front to back saved me enough that it paid for most of this. So I thought I'd give it a try. Now this next part, I ordered this back in January of last year, and it just come here a couple weeks ago. It's a new grill for the Camaro. Mine just got to be prepped and painted, but it's basically the same design as what the factory had, but without all these holes in it. So it'll cover that up. I'm going to paint it white to match the car. Other than that, I guess that's about all I got for the video. I know it ain't much of a video, but it's winter time here, and really not a lot we can do. Can't really get out and shoot anything really good. Before I go, I just want to mention Captain Third Gen. He just passed 1,000 subscribers, so I'm sure he's going to be making lots of good videos here coming up, because hitting that 1,000 subscriber mark is kind of a big deal, because you get into the Google Ads program, so you start generating a little bit of money, which I mean, we're not in it for the money anyway, because you won't make much with a small car channel. But a little bit of money, it can help pay for some of these modifications, which makes it a lot easier to bring you guys some new videos. So go over and congratulate him, and hit the subscribe button. And if you're watching this channel for the first time, we'd sure appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button for our channel too, because we're pretty small. We're still trying to hit 1,000. And now this winter, the videos aren't going to be very great, obviously, but we do have some videos we made last summer that, not all of them, but some of them I think are pretty good. We definitely intend to do a lot better this coming summer. I got some new cameras, and I got some ideas. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.